when it comes to politics, there's always a power play, and you see that play out in the show. You can sort of take elements of what's happening in the show and reflect it with what is happening in politics, not just in Great Britain, but in other countries. It kind of transfers. I mean, the thing is, they're gonna laugh, but it's also, apart from it being funny, it's very true, and it just shows you what happens to human beings when they're under a lot of pressure and when power comes into play.